So the registration authority, I said that it validates the identity of whoever's requesting a digital certificate. And it's up to the registration authority and the certification authority of the type of classes of the certificates they're going to create. Usually they fall along like class 1, class 2, class 3, but it's up to who's configuring the registration authority and the CA to determine what does a class 1 mean, what does a class 2 mean. But we have kind of a de facto standard in the classes. A class 1 certificate would mean that that's just used basically in email. So if I want to carry out a lot of the things we've discussed already, I want to be able to communicate to you by encrypting messages, I want to do digital signatures, that would be a class 1 certificate. And since that's not a very powerful certificate, I only need to provide identification that the RA can go to some public directory to look up, maybe my address, maybe my driver's license number. But if I want to have something like a class 3, that's a much more powerful certificate. And the RA will require me to provide more identity information than just for a class 1. A class 3 certificate is used mainly for software signing. So like when you download a piece of software, there's actually something going on in the back where your system is validating the digital certificate. And that's kind of dangerous to be able to, write something, some software that people are going to download. So that certificate, that the class 3 is more powerful because it allows you to actually digitally sign software. And I would have to, most of the times you actually have to physically go into the RA office and provide more information to prove you are who you say you are. And in another domain, when we talk about, we're going to go through application security, and we'll talk about software signing and how the things are supposed to work, and sometimes how they don't work, and attackers take advantage of it.